Coming for YouTube. Mela YouTube unenia. Iwenu wawade. Wade YouTube wa monsali lekere. Esi soku wani go yeni waki boy way. Mo to wa afime. Omo wa pese onyame asemi bi oyin. Wade YouTube. All right now. You're calling me on the wrong time. Hello? Yeah. Sure. Why the many call this tomorrow? Share the video. Share the video, guys. Share the video. Now let's shock at this call first. By balling. Share the video, don't fear.
Mogbola comments. I the dress I want come out. Mama Aproko. Not be him. In left hand. Not him. No. I still even this day. My food your full. I the bath. I the radio. I the go show. My food your full because Sandro Sasso. Because this bastard get my number. You the press. You just even the same party same man. If you call me, oh go better. But Papa the Chris. If you get my number for TikTok, must you disturb my line? For those bastards where they wave me, oh go visual. Now why they live video? Not be 300 and something they hear they watch. Why I go off my live video? They wave me. Who you they write? Black angel, black beauty, black oh go visual. You don't see me for live video. If you want to, you know come talk. For the other idiots where they deport to Nigeria, I not give my number since 3 days. You are a bastard. They deport you when you demush, they do pasha. Who you help? You're all good. See, my papa died, my mom died. They never come Europe. You're all good. See, you don't first stay Europe before they gog you go home. Wow, my see that idiot do after say they deport him. They won't contribute money for you since 3 days. I give you my number. You know, if you call, you know they see me for live video. After off my live video, all of them they disturb me for message. When I try again, why idiot this morning? I have block hell out of your head. You want to chat with me? You they see me for live video. Carry your poop inside your talk. Oh, go visual. Most you all those wave. You know they see that they bouncing on. Not be rats. Not be fool. You they wave me more than 1 year. Not wave you back. You are a bastard. You don't have sense. You are a scallywag.
God have mercy.
Nonsense. Don't wave me. Don't greet me for DM. Angel, black is beautiful. You are too funny. You make me joy. You are a joy giver. Oh, go visual. If you see me for live video now, I'll get live. What you want to come talk after life? I don't get your time. I'm very busy again. Now 5 children I get for Germany. Today I get a lot of appointments for my children's school. I'm a very busy person by nature. You dey hear me so? Not come the DM nonsense. What you want to talk? Oh, go better. What you want to talk? What you want to talk? Which church where me and you want to go? We want to go supermarket. We want to go where? Catholic church or Bonnie church? Sandro Sass. Yeah, will it be me where you disturb my life again? You know how many of your number? This idiot, I give him only one number and I give you Sandro Sasso. You don't add me for it's like 4 places. I block and one. This girl go use another one. I go block and the other one, you go use another. I don't know what it be this girl problem. Fellow Nigeria. I mean, beg Sandro Sasso. Oh, what? Last morning, I they give out. Not be like they tell you, Sandro Sass. I go day you. If you disturb my number again for WhatsApp, you will tell me what you need from me. Oh, go visual. You relate to me. You my junior star. My junior star. So how Johnny call it? Oh, go better. What did they make it? They disturb my line for WhatsApp. Sandosas. Day before yesterday, they dress and they go mushy. He carry problem after solo bola. Hey, mommy, yeah, mommy, yo. Hey, hey. Now you fuck the parade. Now you be spoke where they hustle for solo. What you call
God have mercy upon us.
problem for them. Your mama where they cook rice to stew. Oh, I'm a biggest and Rosasu. He just told me my mama so well. Come on, mama no better pass you. My husband you want now, but they come for you. And then I believe that your white pant, a big black pant, so you always wear to a cup and that you need Chris. Since when I know Rosasu, I don't see wear white boss out. I bring my white boss out, come out. Your toto they leak. You they leak for center. Sandosa, can you wear white boss out? Now me the toto. Right me give for us and what here wowo for me. You don't wear your
God have mercy upon us.
Let me 3 hours today. Hey, somebody go where so one or go better. What somebody where
I know okay. You when I move up on the okay, now let's go. Iye-eki side chick of Umenwan. After you was 20, and now me have you go. Let's go there. I was set today. Osakwa. Iye-eki na money. Iye-eki na obivie. Oh yeah, let's go there. Alright. Oh, that's all right there. Yes, so my lovely people, I greet you all with better style. I'm also tall right there. Please, as you're watching this video, give me a thumbs up on this video. Press love and like we did on your phone there. And I don't use money in the present. Don't just the type message. Press love and like on the broadcast. Let's go there. Man, that's not oh, I must to talk right away. The saga don't start fully. So for now, call on saga, but we don't call on saga. Now flogging. You understand? Yes. Now flogging. Once way you supposed to understand, see, you're going to carry my house. And I don't get that capacity, they're not born away. They're not born away to carry my house. That one on one side. In the other side, since she say he carried the house, we are taking lash for 31 days. He goes, he collects 21 years beating for this media. 21 years waiting, flogging, woto. Now he go collect. It's going to be snake in the monkey shadow. Yes, as you all know, this is from Victor the Umenwan, one of the the social media king, the social media kubara, the social media otutunamunwa, the social media enyiwa, the social media akobisi, the social media godson, adulterous godson. Now, what did they young? Runda, and I lost akobisi, rock by me, by baba with this man. I do my drink, I want you. Yes. Please, guys, sit down carefully and start following this program. Gradually. We don't start. So continue to follow on and you go enjoy them. So, first, I let you know say I did my go house. You understand? Some of the video we I do for my go house, I go play them. I go play some for now. When I see some of the videos, at least let me play one today. Half. I just want to show one half out. And I believe if I shook one half out, when I go remember when I do this video, where I want to shook out also. So guys, watch out. This is me. My go house now this so. When I do this video, at the my go house. I believe so many of you will remember this video. Because most of all this video then, it is all copyrighted. This one I want to send her. They go buy drink for me for supermarkets. You understand? When I send my go, may go buy drink on. Many of them not they see her. And they only carry camera the face myself. If she deal with me, I'll carry camera face myself. So that people will not see her. She go to the back of the camera. You understand? This one I want to give her money for a year. Give her 50 euro for a year. May she go supermarket, buy me beer. You understand? Because they do that a lot for the house we are not get. I said I may get the house based on semen. You know, pursue your husband, say, you know, the husband has a gay. You understand? So, here now they do video. This video, I sent message to Ekia Queen, Iye Boy, Monica. What is this guy named Cora, and what's this woman name again? Yori. You understand? So, if you go my page, you will see this particular video there. When I do this video, a go house. I do this video. On countless times, many 31 days, no stop everything on video. A day if I don't do video for there, I do like 2 or 3. If I do for inside house, I do a room, I'll go do for outside. Inside get some, I go do for backyard. She go there with me there. You understand? And she do with me. She the video I do. Especially I celebrate birthday. The period where I did house, I celebrate a lot of people birthday, including Cynthia, our lady, the adulterous woman too, where be former godmother of Atiti. I celebrate her husband birthday for my ego house. Not for do that video. Celebrate one woman birthday, 2 women birthday for Spain, and 1 man birthday for Spain. A lot of birthday where I celebrated that period where I did my ego house. You understand? One woman will be say he abandoned in son for UK. You understand? The man did for Canada. You understand? So I do talk about the video and my go house. I will do that video. A lot of video where I do my go house. You feel me? So, my lovely people, let me go straight. This video where I show us that saga. You understand? This is why I mute that video because of the music we inside, where they play for the background, we can give it copyright. So no one made copyright enter this video. You feel me? So Iye-eki do the video and said when he did my life, she did stop me from doing saga. She tried as much as possible to stop me from doing saga. And another day they do saga, blah, 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 blah. Oh yeah, we'll watch Iye-eki videos. Wait for talk before I go start today. Cure my ego. You understand? And you heard this whole scenario with this one. How it starts. Make una listen. How this whole scenario start. How this bass goes starts. You understand? Because many of you go talk for them. They call in for people like video say, from Victor go don't sleep with woman. You go come out, you can't insult the woman, you can't describe how it sleep with woman. I'm not going to curse una again. Now we are no rich. Now on the talk and beside now me on the watch. When they watch those women. So when they believe say that they fed they started the talk. So when those women they talk, when know they watch them. So when I watch this dirty woman, this adulterous woman, Iye-eki, when I listen. Oh, this video talk. This one not get sound. So this particular video not get sound, but I will play the sound for now. When I just calm down, you guys need to be calming down. I will listen to Mama Iye-eki for this video. When I just listen to Iye-eki, we say he call herself Godmother. When I hear Godmother, God devil.
You go find out for all those places.
This may not fit by person, I swear. Not fit by person. Wow, I'll be like Godmother and Godson. You guys have to enjoy this scenario of Godmother and Godson Basgos. It's going to be very, very interesting, guys. Let me see the bata, the boto which you wear. The babotos.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depends the time you see this video. See, we're Frankie. People that they sort. The voice that they play now, the person will read out. Thanks for coming. God bless you, my beautiful Ebobe. Yes, if every gonna settle on the social media, don't worry me. Don't worry here because of a matter now. No concerning Frank. Now you have concerning the delay now. So it is our time. Good evening, mommy. Favor. It's our time. I talk to you, Frank. Too much of still is bad. If this one want to insult me, he go say the time Frank they insult me. Wait till you talk. And then Frank cannot be there. What want you? That's what I do. It's only the God. My ancestors. Ebo pani yu lemure. Eni mali anigi ye beko ni believe you agbona. Oriati bonye. Adeye no ya beka gudo. Do se be monika gbo ye ta wo mo bi e gonga wonje. Oru walano. Di ni je gomana tama when you stop. Muwa.
When Iye-eki tama when you stop, the same way now we be monika now. The same way. All in them, Monica no DNA test the J-boy. And when I was fighting this issue, when I were teammates who what had made me stop, while you are not the ones doing it, you do this video to make you look in the eyes of people like you are a responsible mother, like you are a good woman, like you are a saint to the eyes of the general public. That was what you were doing. When you rightfully know. We hear the way video now. Let's assume you want to do this kind of a video. You called me as your boyfriend. You called me as your boyfriend. You called me say a guy. Edioma, what they always call me Edioma Alpha. I want to do one video. I bet no vessel as usual. You did tell me before. You understand? You get some video where you want to, you go call me say, I beg, I want you to do this video. You understand? Now content that they create, I say okay, no problem. You go really do your video. I'm not going to do say I see him. You feel me so? Like assume you say, as you want to do this video, you call me, say, Umenwan, Yahweh video, the video, and not get offended. You understand? I go say, okay, normally, even when you do this video, I see it as content. I swear to God. When you do this video, I not even watch this video. You understand? Reach where you call it insult the enemy of my wife. Because I believe in that content you create. You don't get content where you create. You don't get anything where you talk with media. Pass from video. The way you see carrying Frank Victor for head those days where you squirt from my matter. Now video him now you voice now you cause the squirt put right now. Because I know you. I know how we take start our relationship. You understand? When you take carry me for head that time, when nobody know, you dey share my video, you dey call in unknowingly to me say na gbola you dey find. Before you started to buy me all this agbada, all this abananya. Before you started to buy me all these clothes, make I dey wear me and the dress. You understand? So you dey buy me agbada. Not be the same agbada they beat Monica. Not be after they beat everybody. Don't be they wear they saga them. And they ask you question, you go. And you still keep on buying. And you will still buying. And if you buy and finish, I go weird. I go see an answer say, now you buy and come from me. And then go see you and do saga. Even including in your own house. This was the same agbada I put on. The day I still get document where the celebrity after this guy joined the same dancing broadcast was the Dadamasses. When I start saga, Dadamasses go end your life with me that day. And you will come to media to come tell the world say you be better person. Emi okpanya you know viewers ya gbono fi jeke gbo na no gbe do gbigbi against adeyan. Emi okpanya you where you park on life. Emi okpanya you all your ancestors will follow you on life. They not leave you the day you sold your soul to the devil. The day you decided to use your pussy to hustle money for Sardinia, Italy. Emi okpanya you where you carry on. They've left you long time ago. You are like an empty vessel. You be empty drum. You make the loudest noise. You don't get spiritual strength. You don't get anything strength. Anything spiritually, not the work for your body again. You'll be like wish where they fly, they go Joshua, go to chop his zobo. You don't reach cover again. If you don't know, they can tell you. So that I let people they know. So nobody should look at you as maybe this woman, now mama. No mama for her body is a mad woman. No mama for her body, including her family. That small but they kill you. You've made one mistake of hitting. You they hit you your own pants will cover you. You they follow and they do anything. You know, say that pants go disgrace you. It go tear himself for public where you don't expect. Now me be that pants. Now me more. Now be that pants will cover you where you don't go make mistake. Go fuck with. Now gradually I go to tell you your life story. Men will they listen to you. If you're banyai, now you are gloria oh. I dare you there. They were you see. Oh yeah. I just want to be na. One way imagine one way like what do you book by a platform one me yaje. This that one are no matter now. You were you. Every now bona. Too much of things is bad. Okay. Yes. Okay. In that year where 2 years ago. Before you can go around here, let's see my daughter see. In that year, when Frank, yeah, you big wo, equal all the way, equal all supporting way, equal all blessing way. Yeah, you big wo Frankie, one. All the other one is that Frank. And we know now the platform where. Who when say where nigga go who be platform where. Then look at you today. You claim that you are okay. You claim that you marry the best wife of your choice in this world. Then look at you today. The 3 platforms that you have. A platform may have where no when I cash out. Today we are there. A platform we can on Monwella chair go strong way. Oh, we're in our video. So come here, come and see, come and listen. I want to talk to you today. People are tagging my picture in anything on this social media concerning you. Okay. Why the people that is tagging my picture, they forget to put their own leader. The leader that leads to put that picture, join that group picture where they share the book. Oh my God, I'm so tired, man. Oh God, I'm so tired, man. Oh God. Here go. So when I ran, go. I don't get it. When I give me and you we knock from good 31 days. Now I take bug you for your own matrimonial bed. Now me do one. Now me see the talk now for the whole world to the hear. Not be say, give me proof. Who bring this adulterous issue come for you? Bring proof, come out. Bring proof. This is I am the proof. I am the victim here. You understand? I am the victim. So now what I see, now I will tell the world about me and you, madam. About me and you, what it conspire between me and you. The things where me and you do for secrets, where I keep for the past 2 years, 3 years now they go so. Where you used to the oppressed me since then, where I just keep and calm. Which is now me so mad supposed to be baby, they talk. Based on say I be young guy that I never even marry. But you will be woman. When you know say you dear husband house, you deceive yourself because not maybe you deceive. Let me know say you not dear husband, you don't return bride price. You give me address, me I come see you for house. I spent 31 days, which you even is tinted of me living with you in Deutschland. You were looking for a house to rent, one room to rent for me because the house was too tight for us to live and your children. You know all these things. You know all the atrocity you did with me. When you know, say if I vex, I don't get sense. If I vex, my sense don't lost. I go crazy, I go vomit everything come out. You know. Then you come sit down for social media. On your camera for phone, carry and face your body. Madam, they let the world know, say, you they advise me. You let the world know, say, they bring your picture come out for social media. Part of the women where I don't sleep with. When you know, say, you were part of the women, the people that bring that picture out, may God bless them. You know, say, we really knock. You know, say, we do coffee. You know, say, we do omyogo, happy wele. You know how you scream. You know how you attack me. You know how you praise me. You know how many clothes don't buy for me after I don't knock you. You know all these things. Hello? I did live video. See what's it? Good evening. I said I did live video. Where you do? I greet you. Don't come for work. Okay, if I try for live, I'll call you. One love. All right. You know, say you be the iye-eki, the oga pata of them all. For all those women where me and get what we don't do. Now you be the chair lady. Now you be the iye-eki all. After Pradman, what happen? You see the bad goes will happen between me and Pradman, but you lure me to your house alongside with your stupid brother, Endurance, convincing me that you have returned your bride price. Until I day your house, your husband called for video call, say me you show him breast, say you want come, and you still try to maneuver your way out when I started questioning you. You said me say you are this man not the. How come this man is not calling you on video call, telling you say me you show him breast? You say that your children want to talk to. You change everything. Here you go. When I tell you, say, I need to stay your house again. I am moving. I am going. Now, you they come media say, why they don't put the picture? When I hear about
their mama bishop, when they come for our Oscar, they come deny for herself.
when
she refused to go and Oscar, they forget to put their mama bishop on that bishop. They go put my bishop. They put on Johnny Bode, they sort. The voice that they play now, the person will bring that voice come. He can't tell you now, say, Mama, go. He did what you see for phone. He did. If he didn't want to complain, by the way, Frank,
the person where they talk now, the audio where they play that, he get what you see for Frank phone. Here go my love. You know how many phone I get? You know. You know how many phone I have. When I carry, I have 3 phones. 3 good phone I get. How many phone this person call it for carry audio or carry whatever system? One particular phone, which is my private phone. Which phone me I usually talk past? Now this one. Which phone would they do so be? Now this one. You know everything. So you were thinking, say, but eventually you don't call the girl for back. Ask whether you see something for the phone concerning you. He say no. Now he gonna give you the guts, the audacity to bounce out on social media. They disgrace yourself. When you know, say we really do something, you call it disgrace yourself. He pay me. He pay me. God. He pay me. He pay me. He pay me. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Here go now money. Like they bend the matter, they bend out like bands. Here go. And then now Germany. So mudia me gege. Ni mete yama. Zero na go mona biye. Zero na go tionwa. Erute ya mudia me ye go. Clap for yourself. Sister no mudia me ni te yama. Zero na go viye. Zero na go ten. Zero na go mona te biye. Una hariye kyo mona biye. No hate biye. Una hariye ho. Ire Germany ni. You go bobanegwe. When I'm mujani me get. Zere na gomono we ati bie una de ke una de ho. Una mudia me get. Una ma bige me no rebu nu yiba. Una wa bige do ati bie me o me bi. Now una we kokobiri no. Na no problem. I begin as one. Why do I bend okay? No really bend you do I clear because why? I'm going to finish you with the truth. You know, guy, you want to bend you lie. I go use truth finish you. Oh, na hama said you aware. I begin a bien no be me. Ni adi. You got it. Stay your wawe. Well, listen, you guys stay your wawe. I am near big. Di man like a big. I cannot move. Isi ya ro wawe ne. I came here where Ikbari Tali. In our okay, no problem. That was the initial plan. Unknowingly to me that you have another plan. No, I came here what big way. There is so well. And then he moved my love a bed, you know, you bought going. That was how you started confessing to me in your own matrimonial bed. Then you must walk my way. You like you wa go live video you were here when you were here what really what they were now what doctor one like na egbo o wa say then I dey use T40 perfume and they cause all this wahala o Jesus me spray T40 me and win you go perceive perfume for my body you go want Chris hey papa with this man you be here. Moi vivienne. Et dis-moi, moi vivienne. Oui, ben, il dit que vivienne, c'est fiero vivienne, dis-moi. Dis-moi, fiero vivienne. Oh, God, I don't die. Voilà. Hey. Nothing way Musala go see for it. Okay. Oh, when we know that bigely. Bodion, Boka, Boma, ye marry me over the now, let me tell you. If you know man, me over the Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better style. Now, if you don't know the meaning of what this woman just said, he said the reason why I was doing saga here and there, beating everybody here and there, he is no longer seeing the evidence, the benefit anymore. When I was doing this saga, this woman's brother's account was the one that was all the money was going to in Nigeria, which she was using to build my house in Lagos. Now she was seeing the money which she and his brother was spending the money. Really, they were really flaunting the money, enjoying the money. I bought a car for this brother. She was really cashing cruise my money, but I don't care. You understand? Because I don't put gun in my head, ask me for money. That one normal. She they see waiting and they use the saga money they do. She they see the saga money they spend. So God be the glory. Immediately I found my wife, I cut off everything from them. Now I was no longer using the brother's accounts. I channeled the account of my own junior one in Nigeria. Cousins, my cousin. Since if you now you go yagoku. You understand? And I bond them. I started using my own junior's one, my cousin account for Nigeria. This woman, brother, I no longer put money there. If I want to do anything for the house, I always tell her I was a transfer so million to that account. You go transfer and put basta. This will be if I want to do adverts, 500, 200,000, 100,000, 50,000, 100, 150. I'm going to use the brand accounts. All those will not do. They don't use someone to do work. All those 100,000, 50,000. I want to do promotion of music, 200K, 300K. Those will not be money when they build house for me. Now you do well. When I carry when so if you carry out 2 million, 1 million, 700, 900. So you know, so that one they go ask. If you don't use our work, they go ask questions. Now you go take work. Those 200, 100, 150, 200, 300, you know they do work. But I don't care. I hear they put up for your account there. You understand? To the extent he also gave me a domiciliary account, which is dollar account. They can put money inside. You feel me? I said, okay, no problem. This guy called me. Oh, do business. We can open this POS. I'll get me a branch. I'm going to control him. I said, okay, no problem. I don't hear. I go original. Then I thought I lost trust on a small. That trust, I lost on small. But I just the freestyle. And everyone he was having the get plan in with this sister. Now, why should they cry now? Immediately I got married to my wife. All those saga, those I reduce. I don't do saga again. I break down my saga. And behold, most of these adulterous women, they can't stop. Thank God for God, many of them stop. Especially for UK. All those women will say they oppress their husband for UK. They chase their husband and they sleep around their matrimonial home for UK. Many of them give their life to God. And through my saga, God included some men will say that they useless to their wife. They beside there's when they run. The women that house, the way they bondage, they're free from bondage. Now when they think they pepper, and they say, if I can go, you when they call for live video, first level say, I insult you, man. I don't insult you. Why? If your matter come out, I go insult you. If you are a useless woman, I will describe it to who you are. But for the rest of that women who did there, who they watch my video, where I never throw matter, they respect me because they respect themselves. You will not get husband for as a single dating month. That's when you be for his house. You go decide because person they do live video, you're careful. As if I'm oh, I take one go, I want to go, I want to do this one, I want to do that. Those kind of stuff. I don't look there, lock up. This woman now, what it could be her pain. All these things she's doing, when I see for live screen, so she's talking out of pain. Not that we did not sleep with each other. The thing is that the heart broken. Forget the fact of say when the talker says she married. This woman sincerely love. This woman love me past your husband wait for SARS. And they tell you now. If to say I tell this woman say, Alpha, I don't want to see people for this as a gay. If you are seeing that has to cause quarrel, she will do. She will do the way this woman, the way she can't get that love with this my black snake. My black snake, they call him my bola. The rate which she did that time. But when I see her, I lock up. She will not let me talk her. I wanted that my woman say, this woman, me and one want this. So everybody knows this woman is my godmother. Nobody know how to be by my fucking mates. She no want to hide her secrets. She dey use her to insult my wife. She dey throw out to my wife every of her live video. Because of say, if she, especially when I just did my wife side. If you just see me from my wife side, problem does start. If you just see me from my wife side, problem does start. Now, voila. As I date woman rich for this Europe, when I marry my woman know most of all the women where I date. But you see this particular one, I stand my ground to still let my woman know say she is my godmother. But her body language, the way she insult my wife told me say, "You get what you and this woman." I say no. Period. No, it's no, and leave her like that. You say okay, no problem. Until this woman continue to insult my wife. Why? Because he say no sign I make I marry old woman. He say my wife na old woman. My wife will like reach 49 years. Because I tell myself my wife na 50 years. All of us really believe my wife na 50 years. Sometimes when I go look on her head, whether it's for put the reason. So now I see 50 years old woman, no know her. I look at laugh, I say, "Boom. My woman, I must say, Bono, 50 is 50, live under 50 years that day. And the day I marry, I agree. I married the day. Confirm. This woman, she's 52 years old. This woman is 52 years old. You understand? When I did this woman, I was 42 years old. When I did sleep with this woman, I was 42 years old. 3 years ago here. You understand? When I did last this woman, she did 52 years. You understand me now? Now, this same woman not see herself as a dede to me. You understand? She not look her age and my age, say she be a dede. She not reason her. He reason as he called me a dionwa. Mori wiebe. Dionwa. Victor. Dionwa. Man. Mori wiebe now. Okay, give me a say. My old man. Give me my black snake now. You don't say I don't see my black snake ratio. This 50-something years old. Now, I go marry 40-something years old woman. She now they called by 40-something years old woman a dede. She na sexy grammar. While my own wife na a dede. So she no support me of getting married to a dede. They get that clear. Mind you, this same woman, what is she talk now? She is a demon in and brother. My people, all my page was working clearly, fully clearly, until I give him brother endurance, access to all my page. You see, I quiet, not be say baby I be fool. Because I thought I say things they will go talk. This woman, I go expose on the brother. I quiet because I dey build house for a plot of land. Now, thank God for my freedom. I get man to really open and expose him brother. Now my page they work well. I dey make money for inside the page as they talk. Until I give young brother access to my page for Lagos. That was how this boy should come on my page. The first page we first should put now, Baba with a smile. And what do they call it? Umenwan talk show. As you come on talk show, bam. Also be all this one. Who be this one? I never knew say that this guy. Where for no get sense. I give her access through my own Facebook from Victor. Where be the owner of all the pages. But the major kill to the page they with me. Which that guy not get. This guy already misbehave with my page. If from for this one, he enter the level 1 of the universe. From other level, he enter Bezaza. To the essence, my own page, all my page they okay. My page they okay. the other level and Benza. If I click enter, if I want go live, they will tell me I don't get access. I don't get access to the page. What did happen? I don't write, I say not get access. Who I give my access to? My brother. This same demon with the talk so. Now, she sit down, get. They accuse my own wife. You understand? According to she called me one fateful day. He saying dream. They sent 3 women come from me. 3 women. 3 women. He said 3 women when they sent come from me. One, now she. He said my mother. Now I send those 3 women come. He said one, now she. 2, now here you are. But he get one particular one where be the demon where this side will come to destroy my life. One release, you know. He said those 3 women, 2 of them, she and Abiyayu, that be the angels, what my mother sent to protect me because of my destiny. Say I get a very brighter destiny. Actually, they talk so they from Sia. I did listen. Person don't fuck the prophet. If they prophesy for me, person don't carry me background. I don't put to make us. They prophesy. They listen. What a bound shit. What a bound shit. When they listen to prophet, when they listen, no. I put on speaker here. Madam, they hear you. He said, she, now my mama send her. This is my mother. Then send Abiyayu to my life because my future is bright. A lot of enemy want to come into my life. Blah, blah, blah. He talk here. I was okay. He said that particular girl make I run away from her. You understand? I said, okay, no problem. I don't hear you. Now, my people, the 2 of them now, Abiyayu and iye-eki, who be the really angel and who be the devil? Where God sent to my life. Where you see my mother sent to their life. But not tell me. The prophecy where she said she see, and she and Abiyayu are the demon that came to my life. From the beginning, from the upset, I started rebuking Abiyayu. I love you. I not love you. He just said, no, I not feel marry you. Carry your toto, they go for New Jersey. May full New Jersey. Sarah, America big. May day America like say tomorrow not day. He just don't see who go marry America. When I ask you, just say, is she sick? Is she a nurse as HIV patient in America? And all American men out there, American niggas out there, they didn't know see this woman is sick. They don't fit deal with this one. When should they find man for Italy? I reason this thing. I said, no, I can't marry a naggy woman. If you marry a naggy woman, you end up in a beer parlor. House not gonna let you enter. The best thing, I have to start conforming her. Sister, I'm not they marry you. This one open ballon. Or if a normal level, if you fuck woman, if you don't say baby, I will marry you normal level, pay for 2 pekus. But you see this particular spot, this particular woman, this one and the other 2, the other one with the America. I open my this. I not feel marry you. This year go when they talk so. Say make me marry her. She give me land, make her build her spot. Tomorrow she will come build bus quarter near me. So that if me they come the house, she go feel consider see me. Behold my people. I can say, so that we go fix the lash. That's okay. I don't hear you, no problem. If not for God and for wisdom, this one will talk so. See, for they come Italy every 2 weeks or every week. If not for wisdom, this woman was planning to be coming to Italy. How they lash me? When I share this video, when I listen, she was planning to come to Italy. But would they do the vaga? Maybe they make me maybe they lash. Christian, your husband dey Roma here. I go tell son say you come Italy, you don't come see your husband, you come Rome where your husband, you come find one small boy called Godson, come for Godson prick. He get what they want to hide, we not go feel. Remember, This same city where I did so, now city where you know 247. Now here they drive past every day when she was living in Rome. How I go take carry her come Rome here, Palestine to be star. Where they stay, call lash this kind of woman. People with the Palestine go see her. They don't go say, and most of the people they help us for the work. Now let us say, guy, you don't use that. How you will say, I said, calm down. If they give me documents, I'll come see you for Italy. You relax. Only you will come. And they miss you now. You are missing where baby you are von. Baby you are oh my body you're full. My body you're full. Person where they prophesy for me. After the prophecy, what happened? I'm going to carry Bola come and show her. She put breast for ground. Everybody just soapy. Everybody just soapy. Now so we do soapy all the time. After prophecy, sister come. She poor. She sleep. I continue my own life. This is the same woman will come here and they talk. Many people hear her say she be good person. She was talking to me as a godmother. All of you know her as a godmother. Is she my godmother? No, she was my girlfriend. To the eyes of the people worldwide, they also space as large. This was one and only my godmother. I am not putting it up to you. She was not my godmother. She was a girlfriend. She was a fucking mate. Now she was in pain to see, say, I marry my wife. Because they never believe, say, I go marry her. So they were having that mentality, say, now so they shop, they go, they friend this one, go. Person when they chop, not they marry. When she found out that we are married, now they will have pass come. Nothing much. Now that problem pass come, my people. All these things which they talk out of anger, out of jealousy, out of heartbroken. When she comforts me after my marriage, she comforts me instead of the talk. Whenever she called, when woman did my house, she go say, walk barowa. Now let you want their house. Or ma go wherever. I'll say no, nobody did. If woman will say yes, I get visitor, she will cut her call. She no will discuss, especially for nights. Some of these girls, when they always do my house, then many of them go no. Whenever my go call, when you guys are with me, I go tell her say I get visitor. She go end her call. We don't go talk. What did make her call before? She be one come. What was she do so pay? Now, constantly, she continued hunting. She called me when I was alone. And also I did alone. And she started to the rant. They made me because of my wife. I don't know, say that's my choice. I don't marry. That's my choice. No, you don't marry, then. They're not going to see you to do anything again. And I can't tell you, or I can't tell you, you know, how you, you know, me, see, you know, I don't say me, you know, if you call me for where my wife did, if you get what you want to me, call me for my wife, they will talk. You understand? All right, my wife know you as my godmother. You don't know see you by my side chick. You understand? He say, I'm going to mind like you know, and what you know, mind like Victor. Man, we have your boy. Man, no, don't get talk. Man, we have your boy. I don't know. I look. You understand? Because I know say after this back, what should they do? Now coming go still end down. All this back. You talk and finish bam. I lock up. I don't say I beg calm down. I say, Mama, beg, I use God beg you. Let me get my life. Anything I do for the abroad, nobody carry me come abroad. Let me cross that sea with mind. So my guy, any risk I take here, if it's good for me. If it's not good for me, inshallah, life goes on. If I don't fear river, I put head. I don't believe I don't get any animal police abroad I go fear. You don't get any police abroad I go fear. You don't think so? I will respect you. And I will also respect the law. So because they fear you, they're not bother person. So let them not say, Alpha, pin down, forget about my wife. I don't talk my wife again. You don't think so? If you get into one discussion, we'll let's discuss. For off my wife, you should forget her. He say, okay now, my hair ya miek behenia. My hair ya miek behenia. Victor, Where woman like a woman? When woman love a woman, may we love. You know that me you love. Victor, where me we love? That's a yes. We I love you. We love you. Know say I love you. You understand? She does that. And it was when we get a love you. When a video, when a video call. The next week you go see Bombi for ground. And the breast big. Not go play with this woman breast big. See breast me jabala. Come on. Bad girl, look at. I say, see my breast. What's that? This breast fresh. Oh more. You see the nipple. Follow the apple. She started say, Baba with this man. Oh, leave the soundtrack. No, leave the soundtrack tomorrow. The tomorrow I the soundtrack every day of the soundtrack. Tomorrow, I will give you the full soundtrack. And if I drop the soundtrack, please, make una send I go give your husband. If I lie, make the husband say na lie talk. I go drop my go soundtrack tomorrow. Actually, they scream. They screaming. Hello, hello, somebody hearing me right now. If you are hearing me, give me love life. Oh God, I go drop the soundtrack. All this old cargo for abroad, all this old Italo, we can do Oloshosho, we not get sense. I go put sense into our head. Now the fire Igbola, when I go chop my Igbola finish, for her to respect yourself, keep them short. When I go see board come for life, they call the talker. So now go expect me at the shame me. How can you shame the shameless? Me get shame. Me will categorically come out for social media, bring my Igbola come and show, and for the whole world to see. I don't get shame. I bring my own Igbola come and make everybody see. So now me, you want to describe, say you don't knock my prick for live video. I'll call the shame, I'll call the I say, they see I don't go fuck this woman. They say, no. See they talk for me there. I'm supposed to be proud. Say you are some big rich man. Oh, you were rich to born me. I carry you na grant. In my boto, Obameji, a guitar, then I'm with boto. You're supposed to be, then you be ashamed. Me never get grandchild. You don't carry grandchildren. You will be grandmother. I use you whip grand. You still talk. Shameless she goes. This is how their family be. If you see Osazuwa children, they are all useless. Osazuwa children, both home and abroad, they are useless Olosho. Dog that they be. Dog. For their husbands useless. Do you know they frustrate their husbands? The Osazuwa children. It's a family you don't pray to marry from. You don't pray to marry from Osazuwa family. For upper. They are useless upper children. You see this one? They are useless upper. Osazuwa family for upper. They are useless upper children. Olosho na the women they do. They do competition of Olosho. This one, because a different mother, different women. Now both Osazuwa. This one picking go to abroad go do washawo. This one picking the abroad go do washawo. This one picking for upper. Musheshe. Upper for Musheshe Junction. Nobody will know the upper. In partnership. She for Musheshe. His children are useless. The women were just there inside. Now Lord show me that. Now their inheritance work. Inheritance work. They are useless people. See this one. If an old woman like this, we know say she knows say she did husband house because she did look for. Can you just because you want to fuck this guy. You just want to knock the guy. We're not here. And let's do Osazuwa picking. How power you? Family no over. It's a man who had disgrace you. I don't respect you. It's okay. Based on we dash normally. I don't shop because okay now. Not be every woman who shop because supposed to call the command call the disgrace. Now I tell you lock up. Make peace for rain. You say no. You want to use me to shine. You want to use my wife to get view. and God will punish you. And devil will so down your mouth with a rusty gun. And your useless mouth. Devil will so down with a rusty gun. Man, where that's when. But guys is a yeah, is a boy stupid now. How he legal. You never see anything. But I wait to me and bring the video come out. This useless old cargo, old meat like you. As you're old like this, I still can make, I still give you. Then your eye for this ground. You for the worker. Shut up, the man there. Hello, everyone.
Because I'm no one like it, and I am bomber. And you know, I like it, and I am bomber.
What are you?
In a good way. And then when I are running, who can look back? Who are wrong? Who said, because they were going to say, Kajiva, or pay whoever, Mario tell. Or will not pay your tell for how many months. Where I am the hour saga now, you will have to get by. Any men or the money where women are only a problem in there because what's here as far as the matter in here, they go my hero. That today I'm going to tell you because after even all those problems, no yet is soon or recent. Now that the Yakamalawe is a gang go when I is setting Mudia, the Duatia Bonnet, equal my brother El.
Or wait a matter that matter. After that matter, he and a husband not there again now. You know what make I want to analyze this video? Because many of you hear this video that time. Now believe everything with this woman talk, right? Now, after that matter, me and this woman, I still make her come reach like 4 times. If you had a lie, because now she believe or make it come swear. After that matter of a husband come out for social media for ATT platforms, so this woman, me and she will still do so finish like 4 times. Now that time, now she wants me to come to Germany fully. Now listen, I get girlfriend for Germany, which you know. You understand? She wanted me to come to Germany so that we could stay. She was okay, she could go find house rent. If I find house rent for Germany, they stay the house. I will see go the way with the friend. Then from there, you come to see me for there. After the husband don't finally leave him, he don't cast for media. Because now everybody don't know me that say, "Yeah, I go not day again." So me I ain't enough for the friend now, openly, no shaking. What did happen? Nothing else, me don't worry. And only that they also give me paper. I they expect my documents. They say, and I say yes. My paper come out. I go they come. Me and you go they meet. You understand? This is on a plan between me and she. Now she talk now say after that, say that the quarrel. Now it leads to the one way me and husband tell each other. Mona ask this woman before I come to her house. Waiting she tell me. She say he and her husband not day again. And for those who are presenters, I don't know the sort of hatred me and no said. Because now she don't reach me back if I go on time. Say this woman tell me say so now my talk my son I not say this woman the husband has. Who bring this woman out on media? Not be me. I bring her out. Is this woman that ever come out for social media when they come to say she's a married woman she the husband has? Never. You understand? Now when me and him call the pile on together, now I call it out and say, Madam, say you the husband. I say no, not the husband has. But if because he write marriage for Facebook, one of the Facebook write marriage, we say no married. He say don't marry, but he don't return bride price. Blah blah blah. Say we talk. He say yes. He give me proof. He say make I ask him brother, big star. Big star can't tell me how Papa go to beat him, how Papa go to the coming house. I don't put the top bride price. Before I go to this woman's house. So when I reach this woman's house, I still a landlord. You understand? I dey in charge of everything because when I be man. Oh no, let's say this woman still their husband has bride price still their household. You see the ahead though. The return bride price the man don't take. This woman say no want the man again. He call police for the man. Me no know. Because this woman they find small boy who want not come. Come on, me not small boy safe. Me small boy I be gallant man. Oh boy. Oh boy, I said this one like Bola. Bola follow this woman. Now what to for Bola. We knock like witch. 31 days. Don't go play, don't be joke. We knock like Chris. I knock what's not good for this nobody. She know what is the crap put now. She don't confess to me tire. I knock Chris move her body. Everywhere, every angle. She said me to get shape. Me will not get children for abroad. I not get anybody where I can't come abroad. Let me carry myself come. Now I call the shape. Let's do it anywhere. Let's do it anywhere. Now ta for this one body. Inside toilet, inside bedroom, inside kitchen. The kitchen where she sit down, so where she sit down, so the table where she put hand, so now so she the rest for the table like this. This table now here me and she for day they slice meat. So we take cook. They will cook fried rice. Me and she this table we gonna cook for kitchen. See this woman. If I tell her anything, say, then I expose this woman. The husband. If you go back to this woman again, you just end your life. Just mark her. This woman don't love you one. She don't know your plan. You understand? She don't want you again. She said your mouth will not work. This woman pay me. I send medicine. I go buy medicine. I do medicine. Come for the husband. Make the man who they work. That medicine, many men buy her from my hand for this Italy. I sell her, they buy. They use her well. They thank me. I still get her here. Don't say that joke. See her. Not be joke. See her. See the medicine here. You see her. You see her. The water drink just this last day there. See the medicine. Now two. See her that one. I give this medicine to go be Aproko. See her. This one, keep all this side, this one, get on driver. See this one, I confirm. A strong one. Don't be saying beans. Don't go play. This medicine, I go give this woman. May forgive your husband. Until lashing things. Say the husband, don't know they work. That's okay, no matter. No worry. Ebola will work. If you take this medicine, Ebola must resurrect. Don't go play. I may give up. You understand? Like my village, they do the medicine for me. When he take the medicine, the Ebola don't stand. As the Ebola still be, that's so it still be. If you see enter your wife, that's still the same 1 minute man. That's the wife can come and say, your husband drink more, but it not work. I beg, he want me come. Where else your husband this house? No, they want to do. No one to say, I say, what you make I do now? What the thing they work now? Me and the taker. And the medicine I with this. Me and the taker. He say, I beg now, as I did now, and I beg, make I show me the snake now, show me my snake. No, my beginning to talk, I'm beginning to talk. Your husband this I beg. Show me my snake now, show me my snake, I beg. I want to make a coffee as I see her. Go remain for me, I come. So I go with my husband, now I do small, she go come. I say, okay, no problem. I carry my bola come. I shake her for her. That's what you no, you can't. She's okay. What else happens? Okay. I said, it's okay. Don't. You cut up him. I said, she don't go with her husband. Then knock. The man, no. This woman, now what did she do? More than 3 times. Then this one will then walk in place. Wait for they do cleaning work. He go bedroom. Go come for video call. Because we can come. Go bedroom for where they walk. Because we can come for where she dey walk. Go bedroom, sit down for bedroom. Tell me say, I beg you when you come. Go carry breast come out. Or where this woman for the walk. Say, which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of problem be this? And so me and this woman till the day. They come. After I don't come for your house. This TV they talk so. Our friend know. Our best friend know everything where they talk so. Not be saying, I'm not the life for her head. She know. Anything what she dey do, she dey tell that one. Anything where that one they do, that one she dey tell her. They be partner in crime. But I don't want to put that one on join. You understand? Because now me I ain't jam. Anything which she dey do, that one is worth everything. The relationship between me and she, that one know everything. If she want just come, for to upload the breast. If this one drop breast, because they fuck out, everyone will shake. This one breast, one more sharply assaulted. Then you do this so. Assaulted, anything you like for that bite, anything you like that nipple, bite for your body. Breast full everywhere. Say Jesus is Lord. People say I like Bombay. I see breast, I hate. I see breast. I know say Jesus Christ is Lord, our personal Savior. One more. See, you get breast, so woman will deal. Woman will get. If I want to sleep, you go use and hold like this. But this one of your own Bombay, one for that Bombay we so. Now 2 hands. You use 2 hands hold like this. My God. When we dance that garden, hey God, this is a flower. Oh, when I want to not be small. See my power this one. Jesus. This woman, we go do live video. Now live video we go do for side garden, for side pitch where they play basketball. That day now watch that video. It don't get able to share the video. Say, hey, you throw me to palace. That video now so I lash my God at it. Well, I said, good at this now. That road now, narrow road, very narrow. You understand? You know those kind of road where you put a carry dog, they follow. You put a carry dog, they follow those kind of road. Very narrow road. And now road we say that they play love where if you that road, if you enter that road, they very cool time. You see Oyibo, they go there together, they go the kiss, they go the romance. The way that place cold because so trees, flower. I'm also be at this one, the store they go for the road. My prophetess. Hello. Now so they stole go for the road. Everything this woman take care of me. Everything that she feed me. She's really a mother. How far? I see how they go. She is with the flat so I put one for her waist so the store they go. On top of her, I get flat so the store they go. And the next thing they touch her. This thing they start to give me sign ringing to know. Before you touch this woman small. Oh, you put it on the baby. See what is for Rodo. Oh, just not the start to. Let's see your stop. Now be the kissing, you know. When I was dive kissing. Big. You know, normally we put the kiss, you know. We put this paper for good activity. They want to play the kiss of the romance. They don't knock. They don't knock. They will just the kiss the romance. They don't knock. Oh, but this one, come on, leave her. As I pull my, as I bring her head, yes, I give her for kiss again. So I bear her, go give her. Drug her over again. Ben her, go give her again. So I bear her, give her. So I bear her again. I give her. I give her. I bear her again. I give her. No, sister. That sister don't pull. Don't pull. Just pull. Don't carry for come out. Bring. Omo. See, as I pull my people on like everywhere is soft, like soft fish. Omo. When I remove her for the mouth, so that called the bump side. Don't plug them. So I plug them. My sister don't be again. My Godmother don't be here. He don't be here. Oh, but the next thing, Godmother don't put one for say my trouser. Don't carry Bella for her. Bah. Carry Bella for her. Bah. Next week I see Godmother don't be down like this. Bah. Like this. I mean, for Rodo, side guide, where people they pass, side guide. Come on. I want Chris now. I want Chris. Who want they want that thing? She will be where get the area. She no get shit. Now me will be stranger we come. No one can get shit. Like girl now. But now he chose to go down. The juice chose what she wear. Now drown. The juice now come on flag. Maybe the husband will know the juice. That juice now come on flag. Army trouser. Now she wear army. Those come on flag army trouser. Now she wear that they walk. Now draw army trouser go back. Now be the bending. Now be the back. Now be the ta. Oh boy, that's so big like this. Oh, you're going. That's what the breast is like. Back. That's what the pass gallop. Back. Oh, Baba, start and knock him. I knock him. Oh, boy. Jesus is Lord. But how true? You can imagine we knock all those things down before we go see that guy, go do that live video where I do that. I do all those knock finish. I will say, go guys, come go do live video. Bah. Do live video finish, I come back again. Bah. Come house. Mind you, as we still come house, we must still knock for night. The day where your husband called na that day, that my spirit called it die small for our body. She no know. That day, from that day, if that person will could like detect, she go find and say, now only once in the night, now call the lash on. Those one the national like 2 times, early morning, they don't go bring early morning before the children wake up. I thought me I don't wake up around like 5. That morning, that early morning, so around 5. I'll wake up again, I'll give on the one. She know they wouldn't. She would not sleep. If this woman is not, you have to put down. When the person they sleep. Oh boy. Now from back, we're big. They should have done they sleep. We're finish back will sleep. Once I we're finish, she can't wake up. She can't go bedroom. She can't go do things. She can't register for school. But she register for she will come on. She carry the children go school. But once she go there, after from window, they look make car to carry pick the children. If the car pick these children like this, beam, come out. The next thing, your commissar has bar before she go work. But I'm blowing things so. Anywhere she jump in the bedroom, and then she come and say, "I did bath for bedroom." You must knock there. Two of us must bath together. You understand? The bedroom now sit down, they sit down the bath for the bedroom. Then they stand bath for the bedroom. Because the bedroom low. Bedroom be like bathed. They do the bedroom like bathed. So you go sit down. You go the bath. Go use bucket pour water the bath. Bucket pour water the bath. So the bedroom be. Once you, we know if we talk how many times we don't knock for that bedroom. I knock with no good for our body for that bedroom. I knock Chris. You understand? To the extent the children go there like this, will they bedroom the knock? Because this is all land. Because you see children there around, we'll come and enter bedroom. We'll go knock. She meets people inside bedroom like they bath. Oh, but that rates. We'll enter bedroom. Back. We'll blow Chris. Come for this woman body. For inside bedroom. And the bedroom very close to the sitting room where the children dey. Very close to the sitting room where the children they play. I call this here. Oh boy. Now I call it a movement. Before that guy can send me documents. When I see this woman, she said, "No, me not pay. Me not give her money. I give her 50 euros. She said, they stupid." Now me and she gotta go post office, go post it. When we reach there, we package the 50 card inside. What do they call that? What do they call that? You know, all those things they charge phone, power bank. The same power bank that carry let the document come. As they go, 50 euro when they put inside power bank, seal am. When they listen, you know, as this one lie, reach you, as they lie, if you like to watch that video, they go laugh you. Yes, now you go say, "You go down with tori, sha." I don't say that one still lie, but you go to see, you go to see the lie. Now, for example, now I want to go give you this phone. I want to send that from poster. I want to put money for this phone. Make people not for take out, make them not say money inside. I open the case like this. I open this case. I put some money. For example, the way we take package money, go give you Aproko. For example, now I want to go give you this 20 euro. I fold down, put inside. Carry this phone, take cover like this. Carry carton, take seal with sellotape wrap on. Write the name for the top to Sweden from Germany, right? Address and everything. If you reach there, you put on return. If you don't see the person, you can return am. Send down for poster. Go give it. How she contact talk now? She contact say now lie. Say that 50 euro, me use 20 euro. Take send down. Now 30 euro. And then we can give the boy. How I got a change, how I got to use 50 euro with this power bank with a seal. Can't take post the same 50 euro go give person for Sweden. Now, when I listen, no, not me, actually, now let me go post them. When I see what he I shall still get that receipt now. Now, Italy for post them. Italy. She dealt with me on video call. Remember. Italy. You know the first part. We are for post time. He just the opposite my house here. He just the opposite my house here. We are for your poster. Italy here. Because after I use the document, land Italy. See how she did like for her video, she said now she me give money to go post her. See how she did like he said now she me give money to send her 50 euros, now 30 euro. Now me give her. Say me use 20 euro to post her. Now see how this one like and now Italy for poster. Document when me take come Italy. Can't take poster go give for Germany. You can't poster go give for Sweden. Why you dey lie, sister? When Olakoko still received the document, he called me and he thanked me. It was still on video call. When he see the documents. Why you dey lie? Iye-eki, why you dey lie? It's a lie to fake over this whole scenario. Lie. Because the truth until they cure you. Document where I post for Italy, you dey Germany. You say that you go post the documents. Say them now 50 euro. Now for inside, you can't use 20 euro to post now. 30 euro now contic. Why you dey lie? Yeah, I could remove my money. I'm not gonna forget over here. And now, I'm not gonna forget over there. Iye-eki na mugu. Iye-eki na Ovivier. I must greet you. I like him going. Oh, just expose the secrets once more. And so you'll be angry more. So please share this video. When I share the video. Now, let's watch and let's watch out for another video. This one I'm crash crap for here. Now here she called my wife author of names. Will lead to this war we did today. Now here she talks say, in carry goat bekus, they give me at the neck. Say now goat bekus, now me go marry. You understand? We make my wife got angry and fall out for her. You understand? Then when my wife fall out for her, when I came, now when they watch me, so tell me, say, my wife they do saga. Say, my wife do saga. No. My wife don't do saga, but you don't tell me. Who is the saga? Say, my go, your godmother. My godmother? My wife saga my godmother. What my godmother do? My wife go saga my godmother. When I reach out, that they go to my wife prank for us. After I tell her, now I go watch Facebook. I watch her own, this our own video. I see where she was insulting the enemy of my wife radically, anyhow, with anger, with jealousy. Hell, I was like, I just shake my head. The thing don't let me talk about say my wife not verse, but because I say I don't feel naka, let me count the verse. I can't beg my wife, say, give me your hand, give me, I say, shake me. That's now woman you be. Yes. This is the kind of woman where I pray to marry. Woman will be say, if I not dare ask, if he chest anything away from me, that's women. And that kind of woman marry, happy to marry. Now say for this, when this woman talks to, any beat you beat her, you're 100% correct. I support you in 1,000-fold. What you want to suck, make it suck. The next day, in the morning of it, now wear this my agbada. I put on this my agbada and I said, now let's go there. I address her, say, you do respect. And now it's not time. I still give her respect because I still let her know, say, now because of the house, the land we are back for your hand for Lagos, let me put the respect to you. They're not born that woman where we come and call this of my wife. For social media, I'll beat you black and blue. I'll beat you, beat your generation, beat your parents. You give me so. But because of say, you'll be my landlady. That is the reason why I know it's such a daddy. You say a number of things. You say my own marriage, what we do when destiny back don't even know any eye to do marriage. You say that destiny back when I buy marriage things. We will go give my in-laws. You say even as we go to the marriage, they don't even collect the things. They don't even give me wife. They even pursue us. You say a number of lies. I sit down and look, say, yeah. You know why? I decided to keep some secrets to myself. I decided to put her in the dark. Because this is the day when she started to talk trash. The day when she come out and narrate my own story, which she don't know. And that did not. What is one that? Who you just make go work me? Okay, don't vex. Prince Ego, very sorry. And they come. Look, I block you or me, I leave you. I don't block you. There. This one I work, you don't know. Now what can I so? Prosperous. Now what can I? You don't close for work, welcome. Welcome, sir. Come sir. Prince Ego, come sir. I bet they work on this side, yeah? I they work with this. To me, to knock this kind of one, not be work. Which other work pass for one to make this kind of person come? This is easy. As this one fat like this, I think they can come. Wait till you say you do my skin like this. Don't be cry, they cry. Now I say what they do again. Now people pass come. So why you say me I go work? Work the pass this one. You want to buy me small picking. But give me love like there before you come out. If you want to come out, they worry you. You know, give me love like. They watch me now, they usually while they wait. Or you to come register on how to make woman come. Woman when they don't cause a clitoris. I feel to make her because it's easy to make a Benin woman come. It's easy for abroad. After she don't do actual for the past 25 years. Woman don't do lo show for past 25 years. Come make her come. You don't have beans. Kokobiri Gambia, Italo, all of that. Morokino. I don't zanza the people. I can't see make her come. With this my small thing. This my finger. This is not a joke. For woman can give you 50 by 100. Saying dash you for land. This is not beans. When they show you agbada, they bash you, they can't give you. This is not a joke. When you go there, you go see me abroad, you try. You give me love I like. You thumbs up, share the video for me. They call you, say, go walk. You know how many ways I throw? If fuck any go say guy, the boss kitchen. You know, even the PTB say, make this boy don't go cool. So make. Now on the drink. Mountain on fire. Climb this kind of woman, you know, give me a hand. The husband will marry and the husband prick not the work again because of say he go marry exhibit bekus. No, the car to talk with this one carry a gami so to see coins big. To see the way to grab, you go here. If this one open close for you, if you not run, if you not get mad, not strong physically and spiritually, you don't chase this woman bekus. Too big like bones. Those kind of egg grow, what they say for egg growth. Anybody will chop ogida akara will know what I talk to. Akara 100 for one. It big that year. Akara depo. That big akara. I saw this one so big. You said to swear. Make big like V-boot. Don't say I would the egg. Go check out the boot. So it makes round. If you see coins, make big. But no, quick to not the slice clitoris. It can't swear for up. Be like step case. For if you don't take time, you fall. Because we say you don't go open because before you blow your fall inside. You don't need to as a big reach, you don't need to open up for your bola fall inside. That kind because you can't still make and come with your bola. Guy, you will give yourself tank. Since when they talk, since then, you don't say talk say, I said the lick my daughter, I said the lalo, my doctor, any yellow here. My daughter, you never come talk. I tell la your quick you never come talk because other of the rest of your cancers. That one say, you not get anything. Now to tell the leak. I said the leak, but because I gonna shake, my leg gonna shake, my hand not gonna shake, my leg not gonna shake. Hello. You go how far? What me cause to do you? I tell make you come. What thing I do? You not lick, I mean that's strong. Can you imagine as big as this fool? He said, nah, juju I take cash. Say me use I know use juju cash oyibo. I call use oyibo or juju cash daki. Daki get daki with the adoro camp. Daki will not get documents. Daki will not get money. Daki will government will go social they give food. Daki will they give remnants. Food will not sell finish for supermarket. They'll come back go give them for us. Let's they feed the children for us. Now I go use oyibo to cash. Can you imagine the stupidity? Daki will day 2 room with 4 children. One get 3 boys plus she making it 4. Daki will be saying, even my own bed better pass the bed we have for the knacker. Like one get bed. You understand? So I'm going to give my house. I'm going to party. I'm not so far with this, bro. I'm going to party. Now this one, the one use to use cash. Let me have one of our video again. I thought I say, I just do something. No, not something I do. When you do something, where they narrate some stories, you know what I'm saying? Just narrate some stories, you guys. We just narrate some stories, you know what I'm saying?
Your stupidity now. You don't do that for the day to tell where you go do. Wow, you were made the day to and I go start again.
See now. She said, I don't build house for a day to tell where I go do. So you don't know so that you be a day now. Then you call my wife a day. So I don't build house for a day to tell where I go do. Now they hear that. For those of you who they talk, say if you don't sleep with woman, you call it describe it, call it describe it too. When I listen now, this woman now they use her math. Now she use her math come on now. They tell the whole world say I don't call lash her. The house women build, say she sees them because my brother, they help me, they build the house. He says she sees the house. You understand? Now here she use her mouth, confess to people, say me call Lashan. So because of say me call Lashan, she don't seize my own house. You know, feel me so? Now here she for do the video. That's why I play this video, but you can listen. Now here she can't rub powder. Say thank God. She knocked my bola. She collect 3-bedroom flats from her hand. You understand? Now here she do the video. So make her play on some more. You cannot go play on finish. More play on some more. We're gonna go lazy. I greet you.
Hey, where? Hey. Are we here go ball at? Yeah, the doctor why you ball at. You say my page is okay. My page is fine. Avats there. What better say that you mumu? You think say you don't come up with for pay at? I'll run the do video, then they make money for you. You are a fucking swine. Over your how you learn. When you are one of the boy you are there. And you can't divert away. Mama I go na cannot do a boy.
He say as I come fuck her, build house for her. You get what I'm saying? If you for those who want to hear Benin which you speak, and they talk for English because when English make your husband for they understand. That's why they use English. She say as I come nakam. Build house for her. Now so she go still beats me for social media too. You feel also? So this one, I never come out come talk see what we do. She do this video when we go do shopping before wash nights. She do this video before wash nights. Rather for wash nights. This video. I came out categorically on New Year Day. I cast everywhere. Now the casting we see this. You feel me? So we see the cast and they go. Maybe the ball, maybe the cash fire. We see girl now they were saying knock. Now else they cry now. So we're plenty. But you see she not my contents for the year. This is my content for the year. So guys, this is my content. Adulterous Godmother and Godson, part 1 and 2. Now here it is. Understand? Adulterous Godmother and Godson for the year. Now we be this. Now my feed be this. And I mean they involved. Let me get all the proof to take wear around. The rest adulterous women, the way I take beat them, your own times 3. Because you're supposed to show good example. Because even me, I'm supposed to show good example. It doesn't mean not stupid. And this is my back decision. I call you on Instagram. I not fear. Remember you are an idiot. Oh God. I not fear. This heavy duty, this heavy breast. Remember you carry on. Now breast you come abroad can suck. Remember you come abroad can suck, Bobby. You come abroad can suck, Bobby. Remember you are dying. Now heavy Bobby way person see, person this suck. Oh God, I don't die. How can you imagine? When you cannot say this woman get husband, why you not wrong? Bros, why you not wrong? I was waiting for my head to grow. This woman dey house. She not say she get man. She can't use me to commit adulterous. If I walk out with Vera. Vera to assume. If Vera to assume, you know say you get man. You lock me for inside house, make her lash you. You carry me come inside, go inside bedroom, make we go knock. It's under the toilet, inside kitchen. Where you sit down and do live video. Vera, swear if I never knock you reach like 3 times or 4, 5 times for this kitchen. Vera go the kitchen, go see the cook. He go come in. Etiama, I kitchen when we are the kitchen and the way to talk in the video. Etiama, I will go. If I reach kitchen, before I know what they happen, without the touch break, my hand to the baby me. All those kitchens still, I mean they do amo. And she just they cook like this. I'll come from back, hold on. And if I hold on, because she knows she white for chairs, and the chairs are very soft. Because kind of clothes she wear, she kitchen, very sexy gown, those kind of gown. She don't wear pants. This woman don't wear pants. So if I don't touch the bread, everywhere you soft like this, it will be like bread. It will be like bread. It will be miro. Wow, the thing really sweets me one kind. I don't the touch on, the press on. I just make your phone now from happy to. The gun, you only see the breast like this. But your pack one view. Like, not as dog in the sock. Their mom popping now. If I know what they happen, Dioma, don't they call me Dioma? You don't hold my your back. My whole year, that one don't stand. That one don't stand. That one just stand. One can. Big. Ukoni aye na.